Hello! We're gonna be playing Dany's World. I already know that I'm gonna be struggling. I'm not very good at this game on a computer. Let's join with some people, shall we? Oh, I'm already so nervous. Oh. Come on, people. Come on, people. I'm getting very impatient. Oh no, people are starting to leave. Hacker? I really hope it's not twisted over here. Oh, great. Right as soon as I say that too, huh? Okay, I should be safe. I'm already shaking in my boots. Are you kidding me? It's already the first round. No! No! Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I just cornered myself. No, we're doing that again. We're doing that again. We are doing that again. I'm so very disappointed in myself. Oh, okay. I promise I'm better at this game. I promise. I'm not usually this bad. I swear. These people are messing with me.
Buddy.
Hello. Oh, thank you. Oh no, I hate this one. This one's always so difficult. Okay. I'm gonna look behind me while I do this. No, run! Okay. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Actually, at this point, hold on. I think I just need to join another server. I can last longer, I promise. I'm better than this. Oh gosh. Let me in. Hello? Please come in. Thank you. Yay, I'm so excited. Barely got into the game. I'm already struggling. Oh, struggling. Oh, he's okay. Aww. Bah. I missed. Give me the capsule. Thank you. Okay. There's one already here. No, and someone's already doing that one. feel so useless in this one. Oh, he's doing the last one. Go, 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 go! Yay, I made it! Yay! I'm already so happy. I wish I could jump right now, but I can't. I'm just gonna purposely try to buy stuff from him where at least he knows. And he still gets mad at me, then that's his problem. Oh no! Whoa! I am so slow. Sorry, pal, you're on your own. Oh, thank goodness. Oh no. Oh no. No, no. Over there. No. I'm done. No. No. Stop chasing me. Dang it, I missed that capsule. No. 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 No, I'm so slow. I apologize for slowing you guys down. I'm just gonna put where everybody else is. I've already lost one heart. Great. Ooh, I see one over there. I can do this soon. No, already done. I am of no use. Guess that's what happens when you're in a pro server. Hey, now I don't have to work as hard. That's so mean. I'm just gonna waltz by you. Oh. No one even giving me a chance. I guess this is the longest I've survived in this so far, I guess. So, I shall buy something. I want instructions. Give me mine. Oh, I really hope that we don't have to do the circle one. That's gonna suck. Please not a blackout, please not a blackout, please not a blackout. Anything but a blackout. Anything but a blackout. Thank goodness. My controls are kind of broken. Spring. I don't know how they did that. Oh, that scared me. That was so scary. Is my mic on? It is. Wait, you have 4 hearts? Oh, that's not fair. It's 8. Are you kidding me? Heck to the no. I found one. I really hope that a twister doesn't come in here. Oh, no way. Okay, someone's doing this one down here. Run! Yes, we made it. Wait, how much is that? I think we're gonna do like 2 more floors if I can survive for that long. Hopefully I can. No, this one better not have a blackout. Thank goodness. I'm gonna be done if there's gonna be a blackout. I'm gonna be like, peace. Two have been done. So there's 3 more hiding somewhere. Actually, 2 more. Okay, now just 1 more. Fuck. Would Where is the elevator? Ah! Ah! Okay, last floor, and then I'm leaving. Guess. Nope, I'm done. Bye, hope you liked this video. Bye-bye.